Have you ever been bored at home that you just have to step outside? Well, that was us today. My little man and I had nothing planned today, so we decided to go on a mini snack adventure. Sometimes it's not about going somewhere fancy, it's all about enjoying the little moment together. We picked up some yummy snacks, spent time together. Honestly, it made our day so much better. These simple moments with my baby are memorable and I will cherish them forever. When boredom hits you, snacks saves the day. What's your favorite snacks when you're craving something? Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.